Hello, welcome to Jimbi Tells Mathematics. Leo tunaenda kuangalia paper 1 mathematics full set iko hapa. So tuendelee.
Hii ni Kcse 2022 iliyofanywa December. Going into this paper, tuangalia ni paper 1. Paper 1 iko na two sections ambao tuko na section 1 na section 2. We'll start with section 1. For section 1 there is question number 1 here. Swali la kwanza ilikuwa linatuambia solve for n, and when you are solving for n ilikuwa ametupatia 6n over n minus 1 equals to 25 over n. Sasa tukiangalia vizuri tuko na unknown ambao ni n na wametuambia to solve. When you are given such a question, it means that we can cross multiply. Tuki cross multiply, hii itakuwa ni 25 will have multiplied with n minus 1 ambayo itakuwa equal na 6n imekuwa multiplied na n. So tukiopen the bracket inakuwa 25n minus 25 equals to 6n times n inakuwa 6n squared. Tukiangalia in our equation here, this equation can bring us to a quadratic sababu tuko na en iko na squared, en haina squared, alafu tuko na 25 hapa. So we have two coefficients, we have two unknowns. The unknown moja iko squared, so this one can give us quadratic. Tukirewrite into quadratic form, so hapa inakuwa 6n squared. Hii 25 ikija on the other side inakuwa minus 25n. Hii because hii ni minus kija huku inakuwa plus 25 equals to 0. So tukiangalia equation hii inakuwa quadratic equation which is usually in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So here our main aim now is to solve for n. Tukitaka to solve for n, you can use now the quadratic formula which usually says that x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac yote iko all over 2a. So tukitaka kurewrite hii equation yetu itakuwa x will be equal to minus b. This is minus b. Tukiangalia kwa b yetu is already minus 25. So minus na minus inakuwa plus. So it will be plus 25 plus or minus square root of b squared. Our b is 25. 25 squared becomes 625 minus, that is 4 times our a is 6 times our c is 25. Yote iko over 2 times a. Our a is 6. So when we want to find the value of x here, it will be x will be equal to this shall be 25 plus or minus square root of inakuwa 625. Ukichukua 6 times 4 times 6 times 25 we get 600. So minus 600 over 6 times 2 becomes 12 over 12. So our x will be equal to 25 plus or minus square root of 25 over 12. 625 minus 600 is 25. So this one becomes x equals to 25 plus or minus 5 over 12. Our first value of, tukiangalia hapa tuko na plus or minus, so our first value of x here shall be, x will be equal to 25 plus 5 over 12, or x will be equal to 25 minus 5 over 12. So this one shall give us 30 over 12. X is equals 30 over 12, which is x is equals to, so this one will give us 2, and x is equals to 2.5 there, or our x here, the here will be x is equals to, this is 20 over 12. So in this case x will be equal to 1 and 2 over 3. Make sure that your answers are in fraction, are in mixed fraction, so that you don't lose the accuracy marks.